Before waxing, wash and dry your vehicle thoroughly with a quality automotive wash and make sure it's free of defects or bonded contaminants. If not, you'll need to use our Smooth Surface Clay Kit or one of our paint cleaners like Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to properly prep the surface before applying a wax. If you want a synthetic polymer with super long-lasting protection that's quick and easy to use, Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish is the most advanced paint protecting formula. When applying a wax, best results will always be achieved when working in the shade and on a cool surface. If you are working by hand, apply your favorite Meguiar's wax onto a foam applicator and spread the product over the surface, creating a thin, uniform layer. If you're using the Meguiar's MT300 dual action polisher, attach the black Soft Buff DA foam finishing disc and set the speed to 3800 OPMs. Apply your favorite Meguiar's wax directly to the disc and place the disc flat on the paint. Turn the machine on and begin buffing with light pressure in an overlapping pattern while keeping the disc flat against the paint at all times. Reapply the wax to the disc as often as needed until the entire vehicle has a thin, even coat of wax. To determine when the wax is ready to be removed, swipe your finger across a section. If it smears, it is not ready. When the wax is dry, use your Supreme Shine microfiber towel to remove it. To extend the life of your wax, remember to always use a wash designed specifically for car finishes like Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. For additional detailing tips and techniques, visit Meguiars.com.